Hello friends, welcome to SQL Writing. Today we want to create one procedure with the output parameter. So we have one table customer, okay, customer ID, name and country. We want to pass country value and find out the number of customers in that country. Okay. So here we pass India, then we want to get 3. Okay. We are passing country UK, then we want to get 1. Okay. So here we can use one procedure, create procedure get customer, get customer count by country. Here we can use the parameter at country varchar of 100. Okay, we want an output, the count. So we can declare one variable count cmt int, that was output. Okay, so we can use as begin and okay. So here we can use select start from customer where country is equal to this parameter. Okay, and here we can get count star. Okay, this value we can assign to here. Okay, so what we will get, we currently we are passing the country and this is count as as output. Okay, so this parameter passed to here and we are passing India, then we will get 3, right? So this is assigned to this count, right? Okay, we can just execute this. Executed. So we want to get an output. Okay, so first we can declare one variable, declare int. Then we want to execute procedure, execute get customer count by country. First we want to pass country name, India. Okay, next we want to pass this integer variable because we want to get the integer value, right? Count, and here we can mention as output. Okay, next we want to get that value, select C. Now we can just execute this query, we will get 3. Okay, we are passing here UK, then we will get 1. Okay, So this way we can create the output parameters. We can create multiple output parameters. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys.